how to scan a QR code on Android. So now go ahead and open the camera application. Once you've opened the camera, place it in front of the QR code that you want to scan, which will show a prompt from below. Tap Show Options, which will provide you these choices: Open Link and Copy. So when you tap Open Link, it will direct you to YouTube. As for the QR code that I have scanned, but if this is not working for you, you will see on the upper left corner of your screen is the camera settings. Tap on that settings, and you will see the scan QR codes under intelligent features. Make sure that this feature is enabled for you to be able to scan QR codes. So another way of scanning QR codes is going back to your home screen, slide down, slide again, and these icons will be provided to you. So by sliding to your left, you will see the scan QR code option. Just tap on that icon and it will scan the QR code immediately. And that is how you scan a QR code on Android device. Thank you and have a great day.